Well, welcome back everybody. We took a long break over the summer. This is the 1979, not a 1981 yellow Bombardier. We tentatively have a great offer or offers on it, so it's probably off the market. But if you're still interested, two offers. But if you're still in the market for this, a higher offer would cancel the other two, but tentatively right now sold. Cat is eager to get in there, and Dad's just putt skiing around here. He's got himself 4 ducks over here that he just cleaned, and traditional food. Little dog is on the big couch, big dog is on the floor, another big dog outside, or 2 big dogs. And we're going to clean up the shop here, and then I'm going to go and show you guys some of the other equipment out in the yard. And here's our old dog. He's pretty much, well, grub, treats, and sleep now. This is one of our newest additions. This is Filipino Emily. She's just sunbathing. It's the 2nd of November. I can't believe there's no snow here. Okay, so this is the last airboat probably for the season. Dad's worked on this numerous different times, and so it's out of the shop, and we're going to start up our winter work right away. Going to show you a blank spot right here. That was where the yellow Bombardier that we worked on last winter was sitting up until yesterday, and it's gone. The customer came and picked it up, and we're probably going to work on this here this winter if we don't have jobs coming in, but we have another swamp buggy that is coming in, so we might be doing this one at the same time. As you notice, the yard's kind of cleaned up here, so even this truck's moved a bit. Owner's come by and done some work on it, and I'll show you the other jobs that Dad's working on. So this track combo deal here, we got it running on a previous video, and then I kind of conked out. The car was kind of garbage on it. Dad got it all cleaned up, actually replaced, and got it running, got it out of the shop. And this sold so quickly that we didn't even get a chance to do a video on it, but you'll see. I'll probably end up putting it on just so you guys can see it anyways in action. But yeah, so the customer that owned this one here, another guy came by to check out the Bombardier and come by and visit Dad, and this guy just said, well, I'll give him an offer, and made the offer. They shook hands, and that was that. So this is coming out of the yard. So this summer, as Dad was working, I was cleaning and sorting, and if he wasn't helping me cleaning and sorting, we were working on other things here. So it was a really busy summer for airboats for Dad, but also we got this corner out, moved out. All the stuff was starting to pile up there. Been a few years since that's been cleared out. So we've got 4 spots on the pad again here for work. And so we're just kind of prepping the shop here for winter. Everything is prepped, but yeah, it's much cleaner around the yard. And that yellow 79, like we said, we had 2 great offers on it, but we are going to do some painting on it. The current owner, the guy that owns it, wants to make sure that it's painted before it goes. So again, this is the 79. Dad is got a professional painter coming in, and there's a couple touch-ups like this stuff here. They're gonna grind that out, repaint it, and like there's a big one here that needs to be addressed. And so I think the guy's coming next week on this one. Monday, he's coming Monday. So there's another crack right here that's got to be addressed. And so Dad wanted to get the shop cleared out here before they start painting, because once he starts painting, it's going to be a bit of a mess. See, there's another thing right here, right there. Not huge, but you know, Dad's kind of fussy, and he doesn't want to see a machine of this quality going out without being painted. Again, we have two really good offers, and I think it's going to go to one of those guys here really quick, and they just got to figure out their financing. But once this one's gone, Dad had some other visitors come in from Saskatchewan, bought another machine off a friend of ours. Might have seen it on one of our past videos, so there might be some work there. There's another guy possibly from Cranberry Portage that might be coming in for service. But I know we got that one swamp buggy out in the yard, another one coming in possibly, so those two could be worked on at the same time. And Dad loves his company, so if you guys want to come by, please come on by. Pinta Santa Maria and Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog.